Hi guys, welcome back to Papa and Gabby Shopkins channel.
And today, this is the next part in a multi-part video where we're going to go through some unboxing. And if you look, we've got a bunch of large packages of Shopkins at the back here. And then we've got some smaller packages and some Shopkins we've already unboxed. If you want to see the other ones we've already boxed, you can follow the link above. And it will take us back to the ones the movies where we unboxed those Shopkins. So which ones are we going to do now, Gabby?
These ones.
Okay, we're going to open all of them, are we?
They're My Little Pony Squishy Pops.
Ah.
So let's get started.
So are these Shopkins or no?
No. These are just Squishy Pops.
Okay.
But there probably is some Squishy Pop Shopkins. Squishy Pop Shop. These things are hard to open. Especially because this is a circle, so let me open this one.
Can I help with some of them?
Yep.
Alright, I'll try this one. The packaging is tough to get through.
Yeah, I know. So I was trying to get through. Oh, this is scissors if you need them. Alright, first one opened.
Alright, just 1 second. Move it up, put it right here. And then you can show it.
I'm good opening these circle ones, so. So where is it?
There's the one. Here, you unbox those and I'll take the wrapper off.
Alright, so let's see what we got in this one first. Really, guys? It's tape? Okay.
Oh, no tape.
There's tape, but I just
Oh, you got through it?
over here. Alright, so these are white brown bags. I've never opened one of these before, so comment down below if you've opened one of these before.
Comment down below.
Yep, if you've opened one of these before. Okay. Oh, we got my favorite Pinkie Pie. So let's take this off and goes. If I could just. And something like this.
Oh, so it has a suction cup. Suction cup to do it.
You guys hear that? See that?
Yeah.
That is her Pinkie Pie, so she might actually be able to stand up because she has her suction cup. This needs to go back on so we don't lose it.
Oh, so it's just in there. So it's a suction cup and a little stand.
Yeah.
Nice.
So
That's all right. Let's open another one.
okay, so how about this one?
Okay.
Oh, whoa, that's cool. We got an Applejack, but she's like see-through. This one's not.
Right.
Yeah, so that's cool. And it squishes. We've already tested that. And we have a checklist. Actually, we have a checklist.
Uh-huh.
So we got Pinkie Pie. So these are the see-through ones over here.
Yeah.
And these are the ones that aren't see-through.
Oh, good.
So put that over there. So let's open this other one. Ooh, it is. Let's see where that one is. We got this one right here.
Wait a minute. Let's see.
So I think this I'm pretty sure this is Rainbow Dash's little sister.
Uh-huh.
And then Applejack has a little sister. Apple Bloom. Apple Blossom.
Yeah. Bless you.
And then Rarity has a little sister, forget her name. Well, that's not her name.
Right.
Her name's not, I forget her name. Okay, so I don't think there was any tape on that one. Okay. So those other ones didn't have blind bags, but they're different. But it's fine. So the last one, you can open right now. Oh, it looks like it got wonder what this is. So guys, we got this, and I don't know what this is, actually.
Well, once we figure it out, maybe we'll comment down below. But it looks like it's like jewelry or maybe accessories for the ponies.
But, well, it's Applejacks, so... Well, I don't really know. So I need to look at the things to see if there's any of these on here. Huh. Nope.
Okay. Well, that's all for our small... Are we finished?
Yep.
All right. Well, that's all for our small packages.
Comment down below if you know what this is.
Just a second. Let me get a good picture of it. All right. Well, hopefully our watchers will comment for us so we can figure out what that is. Can you put it down? Perfect. And then, so follow us. Subscribe. So that's it for this session. We're going to do another video where we unbox these other big packages. So if you'd like to stay tuned, make sure to subscribe to our channel so you'll receive updates when we've done it, and we'll get these uploaded right away. So thanks for watching. Bye-bye.
Bye.